The View panel supports embedding a video into a view sheet area and synchronizing it with a data channel. The video may be either an external file, or it may be a channel that is imported with the raw data. Using the View toolbar, you can play, pause, and repeat play the video. The Position Cursor dialog also supports the controls for fast forward or fast reverse and step-by-step forward or step-by-step reverse. Before playing the video, you may use the View menu options to zoom in or out of the video. The Video context menu also allows you to turn the video sound on or off. Activate the Navigator panel and then clear the data portal with the menu options File, New. Use the Navigator menu commands File, Open to load the data file, austindrive.tdm. Activate the View panel. Choose the 3 Worksheet Partitions group bar, and then the option 3 Areas, where the top is split into 2 even width areas and a larger horizontal area is below them. In the View top left area, right-click and choose the context menu options Display Type, Video. The Video dialog will appear. Activate the Video tab in the Video dialog and select the option Video Channel. Drag the Austin Drive video channel from the data portal to the Video dialog channel control to the right of Video channel. Make sure the checkbox Keep Aspect Ratio is checked. Activate the Object List tab in the Video dialog and ensure the list box is clear of any items. Use the X toolbar to delete any that exist. Close the Video dialog and accept the changes by clicking the OK button. Click on the View toolbar Cursor Parameters. Configure the Cursor Parameters dialog as shown. Most of the defaults should be fine. Just make sure to assign a play speed of 5 to the Play tab. Close the dialog when finished. In the Data portal, select the channel time since engine start, and then the channel's engine RPM, speed, and engine load. Drag and drop the channels into the View sheet lower area, and select the option 2D Axis System when the context pop-up menu appears. Set the 2D Axis System toolbar option Y-axis to End Systems Linear. Right-click in the 2D Axis System area and choose the context menu option Settings. Click on the Cursor Synchronization button and ensure the Abscissa option is set to X cursor and the Ordinate option is set to Y cursor. Click the OK button twice to close the dialogs and confirm the settings. Click the mouse in the center of the View sheet lower area with the 2D Axis System. With the left mouse button held down, drag the cursor left and right and observe how the video changes because it is synchronized with the data channels via the channel time since engine start. This synchronization exists because the video cursor synchronization is set to X cursor and the 2D Axis System cursor synchronization for the abscissa is set to X cursor. Right-click in the 2D Axis System and choose the menu option Settings from the context pop-up. Click on the button Cursor Synchronization. Note that the abscissa option is set to X cursor and the Ordinate option is set to Y cursor. Click the OK button twice to close the dialogs. Right-click in the View sheet upper left area that is configured for video. Choose the context menu option Settings. In the Video dialog, click on the Synchronization tab. Click on the button Cursor Synchronization. Note that the time axis is assigned to the X cursor. Click the OK button twice to close the dialog.